So we're going to make some fried fish today. I'm using this fish. You can use any fish you want. Fillet fish, mackerel, small fish, big fish, up to you. The fish I'm using is called sherry, but that's neither here nor there, is it? What we have got there is we're going to make some beautiful homemade green chutney, and that is encased on the skin of the fish and in between the flour. We're going to fry it. It's amazing. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Simon, why have you cut the head off the fish? Very simple. Won't fit in the pan. So the first thing we're going to do is look at our fish. Now you can use any fish for this. You could use like a mackerel, you could use some kingfish or swordfish steaks, or like me, I'm using a fish called sherry. Now what I've done is I've cut the head off of this. It's been cleaned, and I hope you can see those lines. I've cut lines into it. I've just scored it like that on both sides. So any fish you want, yeah, we're going to use this one today. Beautiful. That's about, I think that's about 700 grams, that one. But like I say, yeah, mackerel is great, sardines are great, tilapia is great, anything goes. So once you've decided what fish you're going to use, we're going to make a nice green chutney type kind of marination for it. So you can really play around with these amounts. I've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, fresh chili, maybe a tablespoon there. And then I've got fresh curry leaves, fresh mint leaves, and fresh coriander or cilantro. There's, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons of each. Like I say, really play around with it. Tablespoon garlic ginger paste, and in there I've got some lime juice. It's like 2 tablespoons. What we're going to do is get that into the machine and give it a little whiz up. So I've got a kind of coffee or spice grinder. What we're going to do is we're going to add in all the ingredients. So cilantro, coriander, fresh curry leaves, the fresh mint. I have to shove it all down there. Fresh chili, teaspoon of turmeric, the ginger garlic paste, or if you don't have that, you could just get in some chopped garlic and some chopped ginger, lemon or lime juice, in that goes. And I didn't show this earlier on, but we're going to get some salt in there as well. Okay, so I'm going to give that a little whiz up, get it into like a bit of a paste. And there you go, that's just like 30 seconds. Okay, so there you go, you've got this beautiful chutney now. Let's just taste that. Ooh, fabulous. So that's known as green chutney. And you can use that, not for the fish, you can just use it, you know, as a condiment on the side of something, or put it in with a nice kind of Indian style masala sandwich or anything like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab this, I'm going to put a glove on, we're going to rub that all over the fish and inside. So very simply, I've got a glove on here, just going to grab some of our masala here, this lovely green chutney, and we're going to rub it on there, flip it over, do the same on the other side. Grab some more, get it on the inside. Should have worn 2 gloves, shouldn't I? What a bloody idiot. So just grab all of it. In it goes. Rub it around. Fabulous. Okay, so I've got a similar sized bowl with flour in it, just regular wheat flour. Use corn flour or potato starch or something if you want something like that. Now, I've got way too much in there. I've probably got like 2 or 3 cups in there. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to get our fish and we're going to just flour it, okay? So, and you've got plenty of masala on there, or the chutney, so it's quite difficult, but we're going to do our best. And then very simply, we're going to get over and get this into some lovely hot oil. So you've got some choices here. You can shallow fry this, deep fry it, or kind of do what I've done. I've kind of gone in the middle there. I've got like a centimetre or so of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. Think about corn oil, peanut oil, something like that. We're getting this hot. Now, I've got quite a big fish here, haven't I? So we don't want it crazy, crazy hot because we're going to just burn the outside. I'm just shaking off any excess flour, and we're going to drop that in. So if you had sardines or mackerel like that, like a small fish, you could put them into really, really hot oil, no problem, because they'll cook right through really quickly. In this case, much thicker, bigger fish. We're going to go for about, I would say, 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Don't flip your fish all the time. Just leave it alone. It's going to be great because it'll start to break up. You can see that is beautiful. Now I'm not going to flip it and flip it and flip it. Like I say, it can break quite easily. But the flour has kind of encased the green chutney or green masala inside. This is going to be beautiful. So I have flipped it again. Let's do one more flip. And that's beautiful. You can splash it up with some oil if you're kind of using the same amount as me. So that's beautiful. That's done, that fish. Off goes the heat. That's going to come out. We're ready to eat. And there you go. Super, super easy. Really, really delightful. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe. Keep well. Please do hit the subscribe button, the notification button. Give us a like. Give us a comment. All that stuff. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.